What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Threshold, which has gone through a minimal pump in value in the last couple of hours. As you can see, it is nearly 20% up and currently trading up just below 5 cents, guys. So we're going to be looking at its next target, where is it heading to next, and also mainly looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to just hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours and days as well? So essentially, we're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as over the next couple of months. And overall in 2023, how high can Threshold go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see from here, the market is down today. Everything is red, and as you guys can see here, overall we've got a couple of cryptos going up in value, but most of them are down. But today's focus is on Threshold, which has pumped up 20%, and as you can see is one of the top gainers. So in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain over nearly 10% in value in a single hour. Over the last day, 18%. Over the week, 21%. However, over the month, it is still down 3%, with major drops here in very early February, as you can see here, going from about 5 cents all the way down to 3 cents, the lower part of 3 cents. So yeah, hasn't been performing too well for the start of February last month. However, right now it is pumping. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 400%, making it $320 million, guys, meaning a huge amount of money, and people are starting to trade the crypto. A lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is one of the top gainers. And there is no doubt that the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours, as more and more people start to trade it, and more investors and sellers and so on. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using in the video to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and on the screen right now at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Threshold, which is here in purple at just about 4 cents. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in green at nearly hitting 5 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting from Threshold is for it to drop back down in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to drop back down to around 0.042 to 0.044 cents in target. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to go over the 5 cents target, potentially heading to about 6 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value, heading down to around the 4 cents target towards the very end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very steep, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. Exact same thing applies here. It's not realistic, and again, over the coming 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid to end of next week, I'm again expecting an overall minimal drop in value from Threshold, potentially dropping down to about 0.045 to 0.046 cents in target is what my expectations are as of right now. However, you guys know this depends on how the crypto market performs and how Threshold performs in specific. However, right now an overall drop is what I'm expecting, and also that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's going to pump, red days when it's going to drop, but the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Threshold over the coming week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more realistic, guys. We're not looking no more steep lines like the previous two charts, but we do have the blue line. It's still looking bullish, and the orange line is also slightly slanting towards the positive direction, meaning an increase in value is again expected over the coming weeks, but in this case it's much more realistic. So yes, an overall increase is what I'm also expecting over the coming days, coming weeks from Threshold. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, by mid to late April 2023, I'm expecting Threshold to be heading to around the 10 cents target. Again, 10 cents may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it a good approximately 2 months, guys, I'm pretty sure this crypto should be able to hit the 10 cents target or much higher, depending on how the crypto market performs, and especially if there's any major crashes or major bull runs or price bumps. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Threshold, but the crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's what I'm here to keep you guys updated on as soon as I can and as much as I can on any major updates or news or anything like that. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Threshold for the long term, but I know there's a lot of you guys, short-term traders, who try and get into crypto for the short term. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting Threshold to drop down in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. So for you guys who are short-term traders, make sure your risk management is on point. But again, that doesn't mean I'm telling you guys not to invest or to invest. It's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. I'm just giving guys my predictions and my takes on this crypto over the short and long term as well. But anyways, I'm kind of biased towards a long-term trade because I'm not a short-term trader. I find it very risky, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, as it is a very, very volatile market. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Threshold, guys. What I want you guys to do in the comment section down below is let me know, when are you guys expecting Threshold to be hitting the 10 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So yeah, let me know. Is it in the coming hours, coming days, coming weeks, months, whatever it is? Comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Threshold update. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto, a highly requested video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave it a like, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, guys, a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, guys, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.